we have got a twofer for you DIYers and crafters at home. When you don't have a $20 tool and you need a $20 tool, I'd purchase these on sale. Let's find out if it's worth it. Give you guys a little suspense. We'll start with the cheap one first. Oh, not a bad case. It's pretty soft. Got an assortment of stone files. Some small fiberglass cutting wheels. Made pretty short order of that, and secure that. It's got a little bit of wobble to it. Well, that's all the way in. Pull it out just a little bit. See if that makes any difference to the wobble. Not really. This is a piece of white oak. Let's try to do this without making a mess. Well, there goes a few of them. Take Jordy Johnson's advice and probably just throw these things right in the trash. Because it isn't worth losing an eyeball for these things. Trash can. Variable speed. Somehow I don't really think you're going to be grinding on anything that you're going to need a handle on this, but you know, who knows. This is a nice little carving set right here. I think they have like 4 different options of different bits that you can get in the 5-packs, and I think they're about $15 a piece as opposed to like 20 bucks a piece. Let's see if this bounces back and forth. Let's see how this dude works. It's a little warm. Granted, this is day one, but $33 I paid for this. Pretty affordable. I'm going to put my link in the description for 5% off on Cutsaw. I wouldn't count on those clasps. They're really loose. But this will never go back in there anyway. I'm going to hang it up. Well, here's my Win rotary tool haul. The basic, $19. I'm going to give that a thumbs up. The deluxe, I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up. This did have a little bit of wobble in the shaft. I want to remind you of that.